My dear learners, today I want to discuss about an important topic. And what's that topic? That topic is friendship. উৎসবে বসনে চৈব দুর্ভিক্ষে রাষ্ট্র বিপ্লবে রাজোদ্ধারে শ্মশানে চ যতিষ্ঠতি সবান্ধ. In Sanskrit language, it is the definition of a true friend. Okay. In English, I am trying to delineate it. A friend is one who remains with us in time of our merriment, who remains with us in time of our joy, who remains with us in time of our sorrow, who remains with us in a time of funeral procession, who remains with us in time of our misfortune. That's the example of true friend and his true friend. Okay. Between whom such friendship can be developed? Friendship can be developed in between man to man. Okay. Friendship can be developed in between men and animals. Friendship can be developed between men and God. And friendship can be developed between men and nature. Okay. In such a way, we can define friendship. Okay. Therefore, we can say that friendship is a type of relation. Friendship is a type of relation that is developed between the two. It is like the quality of greatness. You may say it. Friendship is like the quality of greatness. Greatness. What is greatness? It's a quality achieved by men. Okay. Who is called a great man? Or who are called great men? You may say, great men are those who come for others, do for others, think for others, and even die for others. Similarly, our true friend will be always with us in our days of fortune and even in our dreary days. Okay. You have read the story. You have read about the songbird, a poem. This poem also gives an ample proof of friendship. Okay. You know, the swallow is a songbird. When it is summer, the swallow, the bird swallow, stays with us. And in our dreary days, when it is winter, the swallow leaves us, as it is a migratory bird. But the sparrow always remains with us, even in our dreary days. Therefore, sparrow is our true friend, whereas the swallow is not. You have read about the story of the two friends at the beer, and you have learned a lesson from it. The two friends went for a walk through the way of a jungle. But when a wild bear appeared before them, one of the friends immediately climbed up a tree. Okay, he was so much frightened of the bear. And the another friend also was so much frightened of the bear. Before the appearance of the bear, they were talking about their deep friendship. But when the bear really appeared before them, what did they do? One of the friends immediately climbed up a tree, as he knew the art of climbing up a tree. But the another friend became helpless. He didn't know the art of climbing up a tree. He knew that a bear does not eat the flesh of a man. Therefore, being helpless, the another friend, or the second friend, he may say, lay on the ground like a dead man. The bear came to him. The bear came to him, sniffed over his ears and nose, and thought him to be a dead man. The bear went away. When the bear had gone away, the first friend got down from the tree and said to the second friend, what has the bear told in your ears? The second friend replied, the bear has told me not to believe such a friend who leaves other in danger. Okay. It's an example of fake friend or false friend. We live in a society. We have to choose the good persons to make our friends. Okay? We should recognize the scrupulous persons and we should always try to avoid them. Sometimes they come before us. They act like a friend, but when their desire is fulfilled, they go away, leaving us. They do not care for us. But a true friend, a real friend, always thinks for us, always be sympathetic to us. Okay? Therefore, every man should try to make friendship with others. Okay? We should develop friendship in between one race to another. We can develop friendship one race to another, one nation to another, one country to another, to live peacefully in this beauteous world. First of all, we must have to be sympathetic to others. We must love others. And you know that love is obtained only by giving it in return. If we don't love others, if we don't show sympathy to others, how can we be able to get sympathy from others? Okay? Therefore, if we want to try to make a deep friendship with anyone else, we must love him, we must do something for him, we must think about his welfare, about his betterment, and we must take share of his enjoyment as well as sorrow. Similarly, a true friend always comes before us with a good mind, and we have to recognize this true or real friend. Okay, my dear learners, I like to request you through today's video, try to make friendship with others to enjoy the bliss of life. I think a man who does not have a real friend, a close friend with whom he can share the pains and pathos, he can share any difficult situations or conditions. If he does not have a real friend in this world, I think he is a man of ill luck. Therefore, if we want to be a fortunate one, if we want to share our thoughts, our good wishes, our pains and pathos to others, we need a real friend. A person who has a real and a true friend can be able to enjoy the bliss of life, and he will be able to live peacefully, joyfully, gleefully, with merriment in this beauteous world. Okay, I end here today's teaching video. Be safe. Okay, bye.